Beforepay is an Australian pay-on-demand service allowing users to access a portion of their earned wages before their scheduled payday. It's designed as a quick cash flow solution for those living paycheck to paycheck, offering an alternative to high-interest payday loans. Real user experiences are often split, generally revolving around the speed and convenience versus the fee structure and fluctuating limits. Many users praise the service for its speed. Funds are often transferred almost instantly after approval, which is a significant relief for unexpected expenses like car repairs or urgent bills. The application process is generally described as simple and straightforward. Download the app, link a bank account, and the system assesses eligibility and sets a limit. Customers appreciate the transparent fixed fee, which is a flat 5% on the advanced amount, with no hidden costs, late fees, or compound interest, making it potentially cheaper than traditional payday loans. The fact that it doesn't affect their credit score is a major plus for many Aussie battlers or those with poor credit history. The in-app budgeting tools and spending insights are also frequently mentioned as useful features that promote better financial management. The primary complaint among dissatisfied users centers on the unpredictable changes to their cash-out limit. Some longtime users who have a good repayment history report having their limit inexplicably slashed from a high amount, like $$700 or more, down to as low as $$50 right when they need it most. This lack of transparency and sudden reduction can cause significant financial hardship. Other common issues include technical glitches with the app, such as login problems, and reports of unresponsive or difficult-to-reach customer support when issues like bank connection or limit changes arise. The 5% fee, while lower than many alternatives, is still a cost that accumulates, leading some finance commentators and users to warn that using Beforepay habitually can become a debt trap or a band-aid solution that masks deeper financial control issues. You are essentially paying a premium to access your own money sooner. The maximum repayment period is 62 days, which can still feel pressured for those struggling. Users appreciate Beforepay for its instant access to emergency cash and upfront cost clarity, but the service faces criticism for inconsistent borrowing limits and customer service challenges. It's seen as a helpful tool for one-off needs, but potentially problematic if relied upon regularly.